yes පුතා.
සර් මම මෙතිරු කතා කරන්නේ.
ඔව්
මට
පුතේ.
ඔය ටියුට් එක නැති හින්දා PUPFacebook එකෙන් මේ රීඩින් දෙන්න පුළුවන්ද?
ඕන එකකින් පුළුවන් පුතේ no matter. හරි. පුතේ ලිස්ට් එකක් හදලා ලිස්ට් එකට දෙන්නේ. ඒ නිසා ටක් ගාලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ හෑන්ඩ් රේස් කරන්න ඕන මැසේජ් එකක් දාන්න ඕනි. ඒ
Thank
PDF
you.
තමයි අපිට දෙන්නේ. ඕකේ.
සර් දැන් මොකද්ද කරන්න තියෙන්නේ?
ඊළඟ රීඩින් ලෑස්ති වෙන ඕන දෙකේ රීඩින් දෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඕනම තැනකින් ටෙක්ස්ට් බුක් එකේ බලලා රීඩින් කරන්න පුළුවන්. yes ඉමායා.
මේ මම ඔබට ස්තුතිවන්ත වෙනවා කියලා කියන්නේ කොහොමද? ඒකත් පොඩ්ඩක් මැසේජ් එකක් දාන්න පුළුවන්ද?
ෂුවර් පුතේ. හරි. Okay, now first chance goes to Dilmi. Dilmi.
Okay, sir. But the worst of all is when his harness is one song, he may neither jump for joy nor lie down of winners. So you see, this breaking in is a great thing after a good deal of traction in brides was fixed into my mouth and held fast there by straps over my head, under my throat, round my nose, and under my chin. Next came the sandal my master put it on my back arrogantly. He then made the grins fast under my body, patting and talking to me all the time. One morning, my master got on my back, rode me round of meadow on the soft grass. I felt rather proud of carry my master, and as his continued of ride me a little every day, I soon became accustomed to it. Thank you.
Okay, puta, sure. Very good. Yanuki, now you. Yanuki.
Saved. One day, not long ago, a little girl named Katie went to wade in the sea. Before she went in for the water, she made some sand piece with her spade. She left them on a rock and ran across the sand the word. At first, she did not go far into the water. One by one, the waves came up. How happy she was. So finish.
Okay, puta, very good. Now Senuki.
Come, 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 come. Come to mother pet. Come to mother and pet. Ran to mother and ran to mother. Mother has a top. The top for pet. Mother has a cot for and thank you mother for the top. Thank you mother for the cot.
Okay, very good puta. Now Situm.
සර් නම් ලිස්ට් එක දාන්න බැරිද?
පොඩින පුතේ තව චුට්ටකින් දාන්නම්. තාම ඉස්සලා ලියා ගන්න ගමන් ඉන්නේ මේ ඔක්කොම. Okay, now Sinuri. Okay, if Sinuri is not ready.
My favorite storybook is Madal Duvar. It is novel
writing by famous writer Martin Vikramasinghe. It is an adventure story. The main characters in the story are two boys named Upali and Jinapala. Upali is the leader of the boy gang. They do a lot of mischievous things and often get into trouble, but later Upali becomes a kind, hard-working young man who helps people. It is an enjoyable story about children like it. As I like it very much. Finish. Finish.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, sure. Next, Situm.
Good evening, my dear teacher and my dear friends. I speak my class teacher. My class teacher. My class teacher name is Mr. Taraka Kotolawala. He is 36 years old. He live in Piliyandala. His short name is TK sir. He teaching is very well. I love my class teacher. Finish, sir.
Okay, Buddha, very good. And thank you. Netmi Kahadagama.
සර් මාවත් ගන්න මමත්
ඔක්කොම දාලා ලිස්ට් එකට බලන්න එපා. මේ ඉන්න ඔක්කොම ටිකම දාගත්ත ලිස්ට් එකට.
Among all the music journeys, mind Kalman and music acts as the powerful vibe on the human mind. It has powerful claim down the storm of thoughts in the mind. Researchers have found that listening to mind is smoothing music for the creating periods, cleaning the mind through positive vibes of energy vibes, positively changing of behavior and the personality of the person. Mind draws brown brain activity to the creator. However, it is not advised to listening to this type of music while driving, as it has a possibility into the sleep.
Okay, finish. Okay, next Akash.
So I'm ready.
Akash, you can
It's
start.
a world of love and a world of fear. It's a world of love and a world of fear. It's a world of hopes and a world of fear. There's so much that we share that we time we away. It's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world. Thank you, sir.
Wow, very nice, no? Sure. Okay, now next, Netum.
And then what are you doing? I am drawing a picture for the art competition. Where is your sister? Is she watching cartoon again? No, she is not watching cartoon. She is doing her homework. That's good. Your brothers are playing outside. Tell them not to go to the road. Don't cried mother. They are playing hop- hopscotch. Thank you.
Okay, now next is Guoni Pevinya. No. Sorry. Wait a second. I want to see it. Oh yeah, Guoni. Guoni, now you. Guoni.
The Wolf and the Sheep. A wolf was badly bitten and wounded by some dogs. Somehow he managed to get back to a safe place. He was hungry, but he was too weak to go out and get some food. Suddenly he saw a sheep passing by that place. He requested the sheep to get some water for him. He said to the sheep, "If you bring me some water to drink, I will get some energy. Then I will go and get some food. I know from where you will get your meal," said the sheep, "if I give you water." Thank you.
Okay, Buta, very good. Okay. Akash, Yoshini, ne dakkayana maharne mo. Hari madama Bude, sure. Next in Methuru ne the next in balan let's see. Okay, Methuru, you can start Methuru.
සර් මම පාට ගන්න.
Bude common
My name,
okay, start Methuru.
my name is Viruli. I live in Panadura. I am 10 years old. My school is Mahamaya Girls College. I am in grade 6. My hobby is gardening. I have a brother and 2 sisters. My mother's name is Ruvani and my father's name is Rasika. I like pink most. I have a pet dog. My favorite subject is science. I want to be a scientist one day.
One day.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sure, Buda. Very good. Now Samhita Algama.
Okay, sir.
Right.
You can hear him now, said Tabaki. Father Wolf listened. Far down below the cave, he heard the angry cry of the tiger who has caught nothing. "The fool," said Father Wolf, "who begin a night hunt with that noise is very foolish. Does he think that our Sambua deer are like his fat Wangunga cattle?" "Hush," said Mother Wolf. "He isn't hunt cattle or deer tonight. He is hunting man." "Man?" said Father Wolf. "Ah, aren't there any frog from him to eat? By the law of the jungle, no animal should kill and eat man. There is a reason for every law. The real reason for this one is that if a man is killed, other men soon come on elephants with guns and hundreds of other men who make a great noise, and that is bad for everybody in the jungle. But that isn't the reason that the animal themselves give. They say it isn't right to hunt a thing that can't fight for its life. And they say that man-eaters become sick and lose their teeth. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Samhita, very good. Now Senuti Liansa. Senuti, you can start.
Goldilocks.
Yeah, Puta, start.
Goldilocks saw the 3 bowls of porridge and the 3 spoons on the table. The porridge smelled good and Goldilocks was hungry because she had not had her breakfast. Goldilocks picked up the very big spoon and tasted the porridge in the very big bowl. It was too hot. Then she picked up the medium-sized spoon and tasted the porridge in the medium-sized bowl. It was too lump. Then she picked up the tiny little spoon and tasted the porridge in the tiny little bowl. It was just right. Soon she had eaten it all up. Then Goldilocks saw three chairs, a very big chair, a medium-sized chair, and a tiny little chair. She sat in the very big chair. It was too high. She sat in the medium-sized chair. It was too hard. Then she sat in the tiny little chair. It was just right. Thank you.
good. Now දුලක්ෂිකා පුතේ මම හැමෝම ලිස්ට් එකට දාලා තින්නේ මුලින්ම හෑන්ඩ් රේස් කරුවට මුලින්ම දැම්මා. එතකොට තමයි ලිස්ට් එකේ ඉන්න පිළිවෙල කොතනද කියලා කිය අනුව තමයි හම්බෙන්නේ chance එක. ඔකේ දුලක්ෂිකා කන්ටිනියු. හිමාෂාවත් දාලා දිනු හිමාෂා. ඒ ලිස්ට් එකට දාලා දින හින්දා පුතේ ඒ ලිස්ට් එකට යන්න ඕනි. නැතුව මට පනලා දාන්න බෑක පාට පුතිකාවත්. Now දුලක්ෂිකා.
It's a fine Saturday afternoon. The sun is shining brightly. Nipun and his friends Vignesh, Tituli, Rizvi and Amanda are in the park with their families. Razi is climbing up a rope ladder. His little brother Niaz is riding a pony.
Okay, Dulakshika. Pute, finish the. Okay, Dulakshika. Next, Pasan. Pasan. Start.
Ravi went into his study to study for his bar exam. He saw an oil patch on the white cloth spread on his study table. Somebody seems to have come to my study while I was watering my plants. He said to himself,
Sanuji,
there's something on the floor. Is it water or oil? Then he looked around and saw his son's toy car on the floor. Ravi remembered what his son had said in the morning. My car is sick. Can you do something about it? Thank you.
Okay, Pasan, very good. Now Tisuri.
Flying kites. Flying kites is a popular pastime in our country. There are kites of different shapes, colors, and sizes. Cobra and peacock-shaped kites are most popular among children. August is the best season for flying kites in Sri Lanka because it is dry and windy. Furthermore, most children have their school holidays in August. This gives them much time to fly kites and have fun. Making a kite is easy and inexpensive. Kites can be made using the midrib of coconut leaflets or bamboo sticks, tissue papers, cotton twine, and glue. It is believed that the first kite was made in China. Thank you.
Okay, Tisuri, very good. Now Sanuji. Sanuji Randika. Sanuji, start karan today.
What's your name? Good morning, sir. I'm Nisal. Where do you come from? I'm from Anuradhapura. What's your province? I am from the North Central Province. What's your event? I take part in swimming. Well, good luck. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Sanuji, finish the. Sanuji, finish the bote.
Teacher.
Okay,
Sanuji. Teacher.
Now Litu.
Teacher දැන් ලියු වෙන්න පුළුවන්ද?
හරි පුතේ අපව රීඩින් දෙන්න නැත්නම් ලියු වෙන්න පුළුවන් දුලක්ෂිකා. ලිතුම් ස්ටාර්ට් කරන්න පුතේ.
My name is Viduli. I live in Patadura. I am 10 years old. My school is Mahamaya Girls School. I am in grade 6. My hobby is gardening. I have a brother and 2 sisters. My mother's name is Ruvini. My father's name is Rasika. I like pink most. I have a pet dog. My favorite subject is science. I want to be a scientist one day. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, Litum, very good. Now Metuki Tanulya. Metuki Tanulya. Start.
Grasshopper. They lived in a
Okay. Start today.
grassy meadow. It was the summertime. The ant worked all day long. It carried food. The ant was tired, but it won't pay her away to find food. The grasshopper last at the ant. Why cannot you rest? Why do you work so hard, dear ant? This is summer. The grasshopper said, "Come, let's enjoy. Just dance with me." The ant did not listen to the grasshopper. It is not the grasshopper. Don't wash these chains, dear ant, said the grasshopper. Don't wash these chains, dear ant, said the grasshopper. Not it's your work. Who washed time, dear grasshopper? Soon the summer will end, and you will have to repent for your lessons. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, Metuki Tanulya, very good. Now Hute Metuki Minara.
Miss Mange message kawada.
Yenuki, I didn't see Puta. Just a minute. Metuki Minara, you can start.
My country is Sri Lanka.
Yenuki,
It
I
is
saw the message.
surrounded by the Indian Ocean. It is small and beautiful. The capital is Sri Javardhanapura Kotte. Our president is Gotabaya Rajapaksa and the prime minister is Mahinda Rajapaksa. There are 9 provinces and 25 districts. Many communities live in my country, including Sinhalese, Tamils, Muslims, and Burghers. The national tree is the nut tree, while the national flower is the blue water lily or the nilmanil. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, Pute.
පුතේ second round එකට ලේට්ස් ඉන්න කට්ටිය දැන් මම මේ hand raise කරගන්න second round එන කට්ටියත් ඒගොල්ලන්ව දාගන්න list එකට දැන් second round එක. කීවෙනෙක් නැද්ද මේක කරලා teach කරේ?
Metuki Minara, sir. Adisha innede. Next Adisha.
Adisha start. Adisha.
Mahadana Mutta was the great wise man of the land. His fame spread across the country. People sought his advice whenever there was a problem. One day, a farmer came to see him to get his advice on farming. In those days, almost everybody in the village lived by cultivating rice paddy. Cultivating paddy meant a lot of work. First, they tilled the field to make it muddy by means of a plough tied to a pair of buffaloes. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, Aditya, very good. Now Irushi. Irushi, start karana Pute.
A day at the park. It is a fine Saturday afternoon. The sun is shining brightly. Nipun and his friends Vignesh, Situli, Rizvi and
Yenuki,
Amanda
appo reading නැත්නම් leave වෙන්න පුළුවන් Yenuki. It's okay පුතා.
are in the park with their family. Rizvi is climbing up a rope ladder. His little brother Niaz is riding a pony. This is his first pony ride. His father is walking beside him. Niaz is smiling happily. Nipun and Vignesh are playing cricket.
Okay, Maya, you two can leave.
Vignesh is batting and Nipun is bowling. Amanda is sliding down a slide. Her twin sisters,
Night, bye.
Sharon and Rebecca are playing on a seesaw. Citly is feeding the fish in the pond. Their mothers are sitting on the grass, watching them at play. An ice cream seller is standing by the gate. Two children are running to buy some ice cream. Teacher finish.
Okay, Adi, Irushi, very good. Now Manuli, Minduli. Manuli.
Mother has a rod for pet. Thank you, mother, for the rod. Pat show the rod to Anne. Mother has not a rod for Anne. Mother has a pad for Anne. Thank you, mother, for the pad. Anne will show the pad to Pat. Thank you.
Okay, Manuli. Very good. Now Atma. Atma and Mahesha. Atma. Pute. Atma ready the? Atma ready the Pute? Atma ready වෙනකම් මම chance එක දෙන්නම් චාරුකට. චාරුක නිච්ඡාන්. චාරුක start කරන්න පුතේ. චාරුක start කරන්න පුතේ. චානුක ඔව් start කරන්න පුතේ.
ටීචර් මගේ නම චාරුක නෙමෙයි චනුක.
හරි පුතේ start කරන්න sorry.
I am your home. I am the only plant in our solar system with life and liquid water. People, animal and plants are my children. I have mountains, valleys, forests, rivers, desert and many other places for all of you. Finish, teacher.
Okay, Chanuka, very good. Now Diman Dimsara. Dimsara. Dimsara innada පුතේ? හරි. Dimsara නෑනේ. ඉමායා ලිවුණා. එනුකි. එනුකි. එනුකි බිමන්සා. හරි පුතේ එනුකි නැහැනේ. chance එක දෙන්න නිලංකට. නිලංක මදුෂා start කරන්න පුතේ. නිලංක ready නා start කරන්න.
The national bird of New Zealand. There are 5 species of kiwi and all of them are flightless and nocturnal. They are brown in color and are the same in size as a chicken. They have hidden wings and soft hair like feathers. Unlike other birds that have nostrils at the base, kiwis have their nostrils on the tip of their bill. The female birds lay comparative large eggs that can wings up to about 500 grams. Finish, miss.
Okay,
Thank you.
Okay, Nilanka, very good. Now Senumita.
My
වෙන්න පුළුවන්ද?
Okay, Nilanka, you can.
My motherland is Sri Lanka. The nature flower is the blue water lily. The national bird is the jungle fowl. Sri Lanka is an island. There is mountains and waterfall. It has many historical. It has many forests. Thank you.
Okay, Senumita, very good. Now Yoshini. Yoshini, start करना पुते.
My ambition is to become a doctor. A doctor is a patient who makes people feel better. It is hard to become a doctor, as you have to work hard and pass difficult examination. Doctors work in hospital every day. They see many sick people. They prescribe medicine to help people recover their sickness and very hard. My father and my mother are both doctors. I think a doctor's proposition is one of the best proposition. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, Yoshini. Very good. Now, Sonal. සිතුම් මම පුතේ ඔයාව next chance එකක් දාන්න දාලා තියෙන්නේ. next එකට මේ reading දෙන්න දාලා තියෙන්නේ සිතුම්. next එකට ඉන්නේ සොනාල්. සොනාල් start කරන්න පුතේ. සොනාල් දෙව්මින. සොනාල් ready ද? Okay, start. සොනාල් කියන දේවල් ඇහෙන්නේ නැහැ නේ සොනාල්. Okay, Sonal, start පුතේ. Sonal, I'm so sorry, I can't hear you. Sonal, ready when I come, I'll give the chance to someone else. Vimasha.
Water is our life. People want water as much as people need air. Animals and plants too need water. If there is no water, we use water for cooking, washing clothes, generating electricity, washing ourselves, and for cultivation. Railways, hands pumps, waterfalls, tanks, ponds, rivers, and streams are some of the
Vimasha, මම chance එක දෙන්නම් සොනාල් පුතේ ඔයාට.
There is also water in the sea, but we cannot drink it or use it to water plants and crops because it is salty. In Arabic countries, sea water is desalinate. People pollute water in waterways by washing clothes, washing animals, and washing vehicles. We should stop doing these activities to conserve water because water is our life. Thank you.
Okay, Vimasha, very good. Now, Senul. Senul, start කරන්න. Senul. No, Senul නෙමෙයි කවුද? Sonal. Sonal, start කරන්න පුතේ.
Okay, teacher. During the school vacation, I went on a trip with 3 of my friends to my uncle's farms in Bandarawela. This is what I wrote in my diary about what we have on the farm. It was fine morning when we arrived in Round Hill Park. The surrounding of the farm was beautiful. I took many photos with my new camera. On arrival at the farm, we saved the lead of cattle grazing in the field. My uncle came out to greet us and took all of us to the farm. There was a bunch of ducks swimming in the stream, which flowers behind the farmhouse. We sat in the garden and enjoyed a cup of tea. Tea were different type of animals on the farm. We have a brood of chicken and herd of goats in the backyard. There was a drove of pigs in this piggery. A kit of pigeons flew into the compound and we wailed them. My uncle told us to be careful as there was a behavioral neighbor. We saw a swarm of bees flying into the beehive and We run into the
Hi.
house also
Hi.
safe. Thank you.
Okay, Sonal, very good. Now, Yenuli.
My name is Viruli. I live in Panadura. I am 10 years old. My school is Mahamaya Girls College. I am in grade 6. My hobby is gardening. I have a brother and 2 sisters. My mother's name is Ruani and my father's name is Rasika. I like pink musk. I have a pet dog. My favorite subject is science. I want to be a scientist one day. Thank you.
Okay, Yenuli, very good. Now, Chamatka Fonseca.
At a hotel, receptionist. Good morning, sir. How can I help you? Tourist. I am here to inquire if a room has been reserved for me. Receptionist. Sir, may I know your name, please? Tourist. I am Michael Stephens. Receptionist. Let me see. A single room for 2 nights. Tourist. That's right. Receptionist. We have arranged refreshment in the lobby, sir. Please follow me. Tourist. Thank you, but I want to see the room first. Receptionist. Sorry, sir. It has been arranged at the moment. It will be ready in 5 minutes. Tourist. Oh, is it still being arranged? Then I will wait in the lobby. Receptionist. Is there anything else that you need to know? Tourist. No, thank you. I hope everything is being attended to. Receptionist. Sure. Enjoy your stay here, sir. Tourist. Thank you. Finish, miss.
Okay, Chamatka, very good. Now, Akash.
Akash, akkada pulo mona ready na?
My name is Viruli. I live in Panadura. I am 10 years old. I am in grade 6. My hobby is gardening. I have brothers and 2 sisters. My mother name is Ruvini and my father name is Rasika. I like pink moss. I have a pet dog. My favorite subject is science. I want to be a scientist one day. Thank you.
Okay, Akash. Akash, පොඩි දෙයක් කියන්නද? දැන් පුතේ ස්කූල් පටන් ගත්තට පස්සේ myself කියන්න කිව්වොත් එහෙම my විරුලිව කියයිද ඔයගොල්ලෝ? ඇයි විරුලි ගැන ගොඩක් කියන නිසා? Okay, ඊගාවට next. Okay, very good. Situ Mimasha.
The parrot. The parrot is a beautiful bird. Its beak is red. The wings are green. There is a red line around its neck. The parrot eats fruit and grain as food. It lays eggs in hollow in tree. Parrot live in flocks. Some tame parrots can talk. Children call it by the pet name Petapu. Finish, teacher. Thank you.
Okay, Situm, very good. Now, Litum David.
Teacher.
Yes, Vimasha. පුතේ මම chance එක දෙනවාට ලිතුම්ට chance එක දුන්නාට පස්සේ ඔයත් ඉන්නවා list එකේ.
Okay. It is a fine Saturday afternoon. The sun is shining brightly. Nipun and his friends Vignesh, Sithuli, Piusi and Amanda are in the park with their families. Piusi is climbing up a road ladder. His little brother Nisa is riding a pony. This is his first pony ride. His father is working beside him. Nisa is smiling happily. Nipun and Vignesh are playing cricket. Vignesh is batting and Nipun is bowling. Amanda is sitting down a slide. Her sister Sharon and Rebecca are playing on a seesaw. Little is feeding the fish in the pond. Their mothers are sitting on the grass, watching them at play. An ice cream seller is standing by the gate. Two children are running to buy some ice cream. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, Litum, very good. Now Vimasha. Vimasha Kavindi.
My country is Sri Lanka. It is a small island in the Indian Ocean. This is an agriculture country. Most of the people are farmers. Sri Jayawardhanapura Kotte is the capital of Sri Lanka. The population of my country is about 20 million. There are commu- several communities in Sri Lanka. They are the Sinhalese, the Tamils, the Muslims. Piduru is the highest mountain and Mahaveli is the longest river in Sri Lanka. I love my country very much.
Okay, Vimasha, very good. Now Akash. Akash. Akash के chance से कर. Akash start करन पुते.
My name is Upendra Sabarnayaka and I am 10 years old. I am from Jaffna. I am grade 6 student of Jaffna College. My
Upendran Subramaniam. Sabarnayaka neme.
My father is Rakesh and my mother is Parvati. They are teachers. I have 2 sisters. I am from Food East Italy. I like play color. My favorite subject is mathematics. My ambition is to be a engineer one day. Thank you.
Okay, Puta, very good. Now Situm. Situm Vimasha.
My mother.
Next chance එක ලිතුම්ට දීලා අපි ක්ලාස් එක අතර නවත්තමු. හරි සිතුම් start කරන්න පුතේ.
My mother name is Pramoda Dinucci. He is 36 years old. She is 36 years old. She like fruit is pineapple. She like drink is watermelon.
පුතේ සිතුම් මෙහෙම කිව්වනම් හොඳයි නේද පුතේ? She likes watermelon. එහෙම කිව්වනම් කමන්නේ grammar පොඩ්ඩක් වැරදි. කමන්නේ අපි වැරදි ටික හදාගමු. කමන්නේ read කරගෙන යන්න.
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Teacher මම මුලින්දම කියන්නද?
මුලින්දන් කියන්න. She likes pineapple. එහෙම කියාගෙනත් යන්න පුළුවන්. ඔයා කියන්න කමන්නේ.
My mother name is Pramoda Dinucci. She is 36 years old. She like pineapple.
Yes.
She like drink is watermelon. I love my mother. Finish, teacher.
Okay, Situm, very good. Now Litum Devnuda. Litum.
Student A. Teacher, I have solved all the sums. Teacher, bring your book, please. Student B. Teacher, I have finished them too. Teacher, please stand in queue and wait for your turn. Excuse me, teacher. May I go out, drink some water? Teacher, yes, you may. Teacher, please be silent and start up for relief. observance. Yes. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, Litum, very good. පුතේ අද අපි ක්ලාස් එක නවත්තනවා.
නම හැමෝම very good ඩා. සිතුම් ආකාශ සිතුම් good night, bye, see you next day.
Good night.
Good night, teacher. And
Okay, with that. Okay, bye. Okay, sure. See you.